Tears Are Only Rain is a waltz tune that was recorded by Hank Thompson in 1957. It was written by Johnny Hathcock and Willard Weldon Allard, and I'll be playing it in A. When your lover cries, hold her close and whisper low that tears are only rain to make love grow. Kiss her tenderly and tell her that you love her so, for tears are only rain to make love grow. Anyone can plant a seed, but everybody knows it needs both sun and rain before it blooms into a rose. So when your lover cries, hold her close and whisper low that tears are only rain to make love grow. Now when your lover smiles, let her set your heart aglow, but don't forsake her when she's feeling low. Hold her in your heart, dry her eyes and let her know that tears are only rain to make love grow. She may smile because she knows your love is deep and true, but when she sheds a tear, it may be because of you. So when your lover cries, tell her that you love her so, for tears are